Welcome to a new episode of Bravo Charlie's. I have my daughter Jordan with me today, and we are here to discuss products from Michelle Farms. It's a food company here in the Pittsburgh area. They are a distributor of several different types of high quality breadcrumbs and food seasonings, including salt and
mac and cheese powder mix and pop toppers
for popcorn. Okay, so a lot of their stuff is a specialized product, and I'll put the links for their Facebook page and their website in the description below, along with all of our links as well. But like for instance, their gluten-free breadcrumbs, they have two. Where are they?
One's Italian, one's original.
Original and Italian. Two different gluten-free style breadcrumbs for people that have an allergy to gluten products. I've used these before. You cannot tell the difference. They're extremely good. So gluten-free breadcrumbs, as you would normally find them in a store, original, just plain, and Italian seasoned. Then they also have, now these are not gluten-free. These are made with wheat, but they have Panko style breadcrumbs as well, Italian seasoned and plain favorite. I can't say it, Jordan. What's that say? Plain flavor. Plain flavor. Italian and plain in Panko breadcrumbs. And then another specialty product that they have is a cheese alternative. This is not dairy cheese, it's a cheese alternative, lactose free. So those that Phoebe just decided to visit us with whenever chewing gums. It is a lactose free grated Parmesan cheese. I've tried this on pasta. You cannot tell the difference from normal shaker cheese that you buy in the grocery store. It tastes identical, but it is a cheese alternative, lactose free. Contains milk, caseinate is derived from milk protein and does not contain lactose. So it is a cheese alternative. Use this anywhere you would use normal Parmesan cheese. It works great. Another specialty product of theirs. These, two of their best sellers actually. Jordan, why don't you tell us what those are?
This one is mac and cheese powder mix.
And it does contain real cheese. This is not lactose free.
And you put it on your pasta like when it's still hot, and it makes mac and cheese.
Yeah, you're gonna mix it with milk and butter.
Yeah.
Just like you would if you were making it out of a box. And this makes the sauce that you can put on your elbow macaroni or anything like that. But it is a dairy product. It does contain milk and wheat in it. So this is not a lactose-free or gluten-free product. What else do you have?
I have pop toppers that you put on popcorn.
Yeah, and what flavor is it?
It is cheesy cheddar style.
And that is also, it is not lactose-free. It does have milk. It is a cheese product. But it is egg-free, wheat-free, nut-free, and soy-free, but it does contain milk.
And tastes good.
And it probably tastes really good. We'll have to try this on popcorn this weekend. Other specialty products that they have. This is another big seller of theirs. I've used all of these products. I've gone through all these products actually once. I was up to visit the factory a week ago, and they gave me a whole new supply. So Michelle Farms is sponsoring this video. They did supply all this product for me. But I have gone through all of these products at least once, and my favorite is the onion crispers. So the French's fried onions that you could buy in the store, this is very similar to that, only better. It's basically fried onions with breading on them. It is soy-free, nut-free, milk-free, and egg-free, but it does contain wheat. So this is not a gluten-free product. Okay, now Jordan, you've never had these before, but for first time only, I want to see what you think of these on camera. What you think of fried onions. Take a couple. Tell us what you think.
That's good.
I know. They're really good, aren't they? Stop dropping them on the floor.
Dogs can pick them up.
Okay, dogs will get them later. See, they were pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you put these on green beans or green bean casserole, anything like that. But these are extremely good. They're much crunchier than French's. Love this product. The onion crisps, like I said, the links for everything will be below. Now, they also have, I'm going to pronounce this badly.
I can pronounce it.
No, it's not like it sounds. It's not like it's spelled.
Oh.
I think it's Cotija, queso Cotija. is a Mexican cheese, and I don't think this is lactose free. Let me just double check. Yeah, it does contain milk, but it is one of their specialty products. Queso Cotija cheese. It's a Mexican cheese. If you look this up on YouTube, you'll find tons of chefs that use this and swear by this. It's extremely good. It's worth giving a try. Tacos, anything that you want to add a little pop to. It's a very full-bodied cheese. If you could buy this in chunks in a grocery store, it crumbles real nicely, or this is in shaker form, where you could just sprinkle it on tacos or sprinkle it on corn on the cob or anything like that. But
Or on cheese.
cheese on cheese?
Sure.
Okay. But this is very good. This is one of their specialty products. This also sells very well. Now, 4 new products that I have not tried before, that they've just come out with. I guess 2 products, each in 2 different versions. They now have a sea salt in fine and coarse. So their sea salt is a product of the USA, both the fine and the coarse, and it is an all-natural sea salt. This is a brand new product for them, but I cook almost entirely with sea salt. Occasionally I'll use kosher salt as well, but love sea salt, and the fine sea salt is great for popcorn. So you can either have the cheesy pop toppers, or if you put a little butter on your popcorn, the fine sea salt obviously sticks to the
What about
popcorn.
steak?
Coarse. If you're gonna have steak, you have coarse sea salt. Baked potatoes, anything you use salt on, definitely try sea salt. There's actually less sodium in sea salt than regular table salt. So sea salt is definitely the way to go. The other new product that they have is old-fashioned rolled oatmeal. These are not steel cut. They're whole grain rolled oats, and they have the quick oats, cooks in 3 minutes, and then they have the old-fashioned oats that you cook on a cooktop. What?
The ingredients are whole grain rolled oats.
What's so funny about that?
It's literally what it says that it is on the front.
It literally is exactly what it says on the front.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
there's nothing in it.
It's
except for
exactly what
oats.
it is.
There's nothing in it except for oats.
And that's what it is.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
yeah.
So, it is a whole grain oatmeal, instant and regular. So there you have it. Michelle Farms. They're located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but they're on the website. You can buy their products on Amazon. They're starting to get in more and more grocery stores.
And they're yummy.
And we're gonna have to try this weekend with a movie on Friday night. I'll put all the links below in the description. If you like this video, what do?
Give it a thumbs up.
Hit the subscribe button and the notification button as well, the little bell icon in the subscribe. You'll be notified when we put out a new video, when Jordan and I put out a new video. Try not to use a whole can so I can cook with them at some point.
Yeah.
They're great on salads. I like those instead of croutons. I put those on salads.
You know Frosted Flakes? They're like that.
They look like Frosted Flakes, but they don't taste like
Yeah.
Frosted Flakes.
Yeah.
Anyhow, thank you for joining us for another episode of Bravo Charlie's. We'll see you next time. Check the description below for all the information on these products and information on our Twitter, Facebook, what else?
Instagram.
No, we're not on Instagram. Pinterest. We're on Pinterest.
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Okay, so check the links below. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time at Bravo Charlie's.
Bye. Da-na-na, da-na-na.
Okay.